Garlic is slightly fried. You add the onions.
Yes. Pandan leaves, and what was the other thing?
Curry leaves. Chili. You'll see everything. You'll see for everything we put curry leaves and pandan.
Okay.
Basically, pandan leaves gives a nice aroma, nice flavor to it.
It already smells good.
Then මොනවද? Oh, one handy මොනව කරලා ගන්න. We had spoons for everything and they come missing. I got it.
Which is
So it's kind of that, you know. So turmeric powder. I always put it the oil and get it to cook really well. And turmeric cook is really tasty. If it's not, it's very bitter.
unroasted curry powder.
You know the difference of curry powders?
Yes.
Unroasted and roasted.
අන්නර මල්ලනේ කියලා අරකුරේ.
Be able to smell it. Sort of like this kind of. Oh, sorry.
පිරිය ගේන්න කියන්න මේ.
You smell it now, like the once turmeric and roasted curry powder kind of fries. You get a really nice fragrance. Chili. My mom forgot that.
මේ මොකද මේ?
Cookie by herself there.
First take out අනිත් එක. මේකද? නෑ අනිත් එක. So here goes the first. Sorry, is for first එක නෙමෙයි second එක. අයියෝ. ඔය first එක. So usually if the jackfruit is not cooked, we would start with the second extract of the coconut. Because it's cooked already, we put the mixture in so that, you know, we don't need to cook it for too long. Nice. Doing them in it. Maybe salt. Ice cream එක ගමද පුතා. හෙට්ටිය ගන්න ස්ටෝර් රූම් එකේ.
එකක් ගන්න. fenugreek
Fenugreek seeds.
Yeah.
In white curry we add fenugreek seeds. Usually. It gives a nice taste to it. And so it's very good for you as well, it says.
Any white curries?
White curries, coconut curries.
Oh, okay.
Not for fish curries or chicken curries.
right.
You don't really use them. The taste doesn't go well.
Okay.
But for white fish curries. Come down the cow. This is more of a dry curry. It's not really. Huh.
This is using, is it cos?
Course. We've already cooked colors. It's more of a it's like a meaty
Yeah.
taste.
Have you eaten lots of colours?